Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Maddy, and I will be your teacher today. Hello, everyone. I am Ihtisham. I am a student. I want to learn English. Very good, Ihtisham. Today we will learn very basic English. This lesson is for beginners. We will learn greetings, simple sentences, and how to introduce ourselves. That sounds good, Teacher Maddy. I am ready. First, we will learn greetings. Greetings are words we use when we meet someone. What are greetings, teacher? Greetings are like hello, hi, good morning, good evening. Oh, I understand. Now repeat after me. Say hello. Hello. Very good. Now say hi. Hi. Good. Now say good morning. Good morning. Now let's make full introduction. So I can say good morning when I wake up? Yes, exactly. Now we will learn how to introduce ourselves. What is introduce? Introduce means telling your name and about yourself. Okay. For example, my name is Maddy. My name is Ihtisham. Very good. Now we add more sentence. I am a teacher. I am a student. Excellent. Now let's make full introduction. My name is Maddy. I am a teacher. I teach English. My name is Ihtisham. I am a student. I learn English. Very good job. Thank you, teacher. Now we learn some daily use sentences. What are daily use sentences? These are sentences we use every day. Okay, teacher. Listen carefully. How are you? How are you? Good. The answer can be I am fine. I am fine. Or I am good. I am good. Very nice.
Now we learn how to ask questions. I want to learn questions.
Good. First question is, what is your name?
What is your name?
Answer is, my name is Ihtisham.
My name is Ihtisham.
Good. Next question, where are you from?
Where are you from?
Answer, I am from California.
I am from California.
Very good. Thank you, teacher. Now we will do speaking practice. I am ready. I will speak and you repeat. Okay, teacher. I am happy. I am happy. I am a student. I am a student. I like English. I like English. Very good. You are learning fast. Thank you, teacher. Next, what I do. Now we learn two important words, yes and no. Yes and no. Yes means agree. No means disagree. Okay. Do you like English? Yes, I like English. Do you like homework? No, I don't like homework. Very funny, but good answer. Sorry, sir. Now we learn classroom English. Okay, teacher. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Very good. Thank you, teacher. It's really amazing. Now we learn polite words. What are polite words? Polite words are kind words like thank you, sorry, please. I want to learn. Say thank you. Thank you. Say sorry. Sorry. Say please. Please. Very good. These words are very important. Thank you, teacher. Now let's do a small conversation. Okay, teacher. Hello. What is your name? My name is Ihtisham. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. Do you like English? Yes, I like English. Very good conversation. Thank you, teacher. I'm very excited. Ihtisham, you are doing very well. Thank you, teacher Maddy. I feel happy. To all students listening, English is easy. You need practice every day. Yes, practice is very important. Speak a little English every day. Do not be afraid. I will practice every day. Now our lesson is finished. I learned many things today. We learned greetings, self-introduction, questions, and daily sentences. Thank you, Teacher Maddy. You are welcome. Keep learning English. Thank you, teacher. Now learn me something more. Now let's talk about morning routine. Okay, teacher. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I go to school. Very good. This is your morning routine. Very helpful, teacher. Now we will learn time. Time is difficult for me. Don't worry, it is easy. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock. Good. Repeat. It is 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. Very nice. What time do you sleep? I sleep at 10 o'clock. Now we talk about afternoon. Okay. I go to school in the morning. I go to school in the morning. I come back home in the afternoon. I come back home in the afternoon. I do my homework. I do my homework. Now let's learn evening routine. Okay, teacher. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I watch TV. I watch TV. I have dinner. I have dinner. Now we will learn hobbies. What is hobby? Hobby means what you like to do in free time. Oh, okay. My hobby is reading. My hobby is reading. My hobby is playing cricket. My hobby is playing cricket. Good. What is your hobby, Ihtisham? My hobby is watching videos and learning English. Now let's make full sentences. I am ready. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school. Very good. Now add I come home and do homework. I come home and do homework. Now we learn how to ask about someone's day. Okay, teacher. How was your day? How was your day? Answer, my day was good. My day was good. Or, my day was busy. My day was busy. Now let's do real conversation. Yes, teacher. Good morning. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock. What do you do in the morning? I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. What do you do in the evening? I watch TV and do homework. Ihtisham, your English is improving. Thank you, Teacher Maddy. I am practicing every day. To all students, speak English daily. Do not be shy. Yes, practice is very important. Now our episode is on finishing. Today I learned how to talk about my daily routine and time. Very good. Keep learning step by step. Thank you, Teacher Maddy. You are welcome. See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Take care and keep learning English.